All right, next up we have Chris and Mary Kay from Fenestra, who builds systems that enable you to stand up very, very quickly and run various different parts of your organization. And they're going to go through Fusion Mortgagebot, which is market-leading point of sale and origination platforms, mobile first, cloud-based, able to apply in any channel and move seamlessly between channels. So I will let you, Chris and Mary Kay, take it away, and then we'll come back and we'll run down some questions with you guys as soon as you guys are done.
I'm Mary Kay Theriault, the Director of Product Management for Fusion Originate Mortgagebot and Mortgagebot LOS. Today I have with me Chris Fitzpatrick, our Senior Sales Solution Consultant. Today we're going to show you how easy a borrower can apply online on a fully responsive ADA compliant site from anywhere on any device in approximately 10 minutes. They can start on their mobile device while on the train and complete their application on the desktop when they get to the office. Increase speed and accuracy with online disclosures. Never miss that 3-day window. Using integrations for asset and income verification and approvals from DU and LP, all that's left for you is to do the closing. Chris, let's take a look at how fast and easy a borrower can apply.
Sure thing. Thanks, Mary Kay. We are excited to show you a brief demo of Fusion Originate Mortgagebot with a particular focus on the key technology trends that are shaping the mortgage industry. The digital mortgage should provide self-service options online with branding and style elements consistent with the financial institution and personalized for loan officers. A personalized website makes it easy for borrowers to reconnect with a loan officer. It also makes it easy for a loan officer to refer borrowers to go online in a personalized way. Most borrowers today start their mortgage research online. With online resources, borrowers can learn more about the mortgage process or what to expect at closing. With online calculators, borrowers can enter personal information to see how much can I save, or should I buy a home or continue to rent. Taking it to the next step, the borrower can find loan options specific to what they are looking for. For purchase, refi, home equity, or construction purposes, a few pieces of information will provide the borrower with multiple product and rate offers. Using filters, the borrower can find the product and rate option to fit their goals. For example, I want to keep my monthly payment down. For each of the different products that are displayed, the borrower can research those loan fees, origination fees, fees for required services, and also information so they can understand the cash required to close for each of those product options. The digital mortgage should be fast and easy to start. With a fluid and responsive website, the borrower can use any device. The dynamic application should only display questions that are relevant while collecting all required information. The digital mortgage should leverage integrations that pre-populate the application, reducing data entry requirements for the borrower. For example, I'm logging into my online banking and importing my checking and savings details. It's fast and easy and imports that information and pre-populates the application. From my credit report, my liabilities are also pre-populated, improving accuracy and speed. For my employment information, being able to provide that authorization for that work and employment verification. This increases speed and accuracy up front while streamlining processing with automated verifications for asset, employment, and those liabilities. The digital mortgage should also automate compliance at every step. With automated TRID early disclosures, it provides the borrower great information while streamlining processing in the back office, With a complete application and the borrower's intent to proceed, the digital mortgage should also leverage integrations with automated underwriting engines to automate online approvals using secondary or portfolio underwriting guidelines. With an instant application approval, the borrower is satisfied, reducing the chance that they'll continue to shop elsewhere for their mortgage. With personalized and dynamic list of items needed, the borrower can begin uploading required documents securely. And throughout the digital mortgage process, borrowers should be able to access real-time loan status information, including contact information, my loan payment, and terms. Status alerts will keep the borrower informed of changes in status or required documents. These alerts keep the borrower informed while reducing the number of inbound calls. Enabling a digital mortgage experience promotes convenience and streamlines fulfillment, allowing you to close more loans faster. In conclusion, the ability to serve borrowers with simple, convenient, and easy-to-use mortgage technology remains an important factor in the increasingly competitive mortgage landscape. Thank you for your time today. If you have any questions, please contact us at Finastra.
Hey, Chris and Mary Kay, great job. It's good to see you guys, if virtually not live this year.
Julian, thanks for having us.
Yep, absolutely.
Nice to see you, Julian.
Yep. So let's get into it. Just again, we're quick on time, but we can run down, I think, a handful of questions. So first on loan types. Is it mortgage like first lien only, or can you do like seconds or HELOCs? Can you do could an institution, if they're doing non-mortgage, set up non-mortgage here as well?
Yeah, so we support all types of mortgage loans, first mortgages, HELOCs, home equities, on our mortgage platform. And then we also have ConsumerBot, which does all types of consumer lending. So we have all types of loans. Got it.
Okay. And then sticking with mortgage, and then on the approval part, you mentioned either DULP or proprietary AUS. So I'm assuming then that you're just linking in, either are you providing those underwriting engines, or you're just linking into whatever systems that each customer has? And if so, then what does that mean from an implementation and a stand-up time standpoint on average?
Yeah, so we have direct integrations to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, to both their approval engines, and the client just enters in their user IDs and passwords to connect into those engines. And then we have a proprietary engine we call Power Approve, and that's a rule-based engine. And so we have a set of default criteria the client can set up during the implementation process, or we give them a workbook where they just pick and choose. So they don't want to approve anything with a credit score less than 680. They can set that credit score, and it's just through a workbook that they complete with one of our implementation specialists.
So that's super interesting. So does that am I to imply then that you could say use this maybe less so as like a, if you will, pure POS in the sense of like I'm taking in an official app, but more almost as a lead gen mechanism, because you're taking those in and you're taking only ones in that you actually want with those certain criteria, and it's like more of a lead use? Or is it really more meant as a true POS, or can it be both?
It can be both.
Yeah.
So we definitely have clients who only use it as a lead gen. They don't ask, for example, maybe they don't ask the income, or they don't ask the property address, because they truly want it just to be a lead gen. And then we have clients that do the full application from start to finish. They do the asset verification, income verification, underwrite it with Fannie or Freddie. And then when they're done, all they need to do is really finish the processing and close that loan.
Yeah, that part's really cool. I actually feel like that is a standalone competitive advantage of being able to kind of think about POS as a standalone. So we have 1 minute left, and I just want to clarify: is this only for use with your own LOS, or can it integrate into any LOS that any customer has?
Sure. Julian, we can support integrations with most LOS systems that are in the market today, including any custom LOS that a client may have. We utilize standard formats, including 3.4 and ILAD, as well as being able to support any custom formats that clients may need.
Got it. Thank you so much. And I'm assuming this is all like white labelable and everything else, correct? So it's
exactly.
Yeah.
Well, we brand it for an institution. We brand it so that it matches that credit union's look and feel, that experience that member can expect from their credit union. So there will be no branding for either Finastra or the MortgageBot solution. So it'd be completely branded for that institution, giving that member the comfort that they're with their own credit union.
Yeah, we give default text to display on the site to quickly get somebody set up, but that is totally customizable, or configurable, I should say, so they can change any of the wording, any of the text within the sites.
And just bring it into their full total custom experience.
Exactly.
Yep. Got it. Well, thank you guys so much, and best of luck in 22, and look forward to seeing more as we go forward.
Thanks,
Great,
Julian.
thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.